welcome to the vlog today. We're at the beach, and just forewarning you, this vlog is gonna be all beach because we just got here at 7:30 and we're gonna be here all day to celebrate my birthday. Actually, technically it's not my birthday today. It was on Tuesday, so if you want to wish me a happy birthday, do it right now. I'll wait. Thanks. Anyway, today's actually my dad's birthday. He's 32. Congratulations, Dad, on making it this far in life. Love you. So yeah, this is our little setup we got going on here. We got a little tent and a little and we got our that, whatever that is. And there she is again. And we got a bunch of people coming, hopefully. I'm gonna go on a run.
I already went on a run.
Kelly already went on a run. She ran 6 miles. Ran. She actually crab walked.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna go run. I need my shoes!
15 minutes later.
So I've gone about 40 miles. Doing pretty good so far. At a 3:26 pace. We'll see how long I go.
Many hours later.
Mile 80. Going strong.
Much later.
Mile 17. Made it to the pier. I think I'm gonna turn back now. I got back from my run. I ran a whole 36 miles. Kelly ran about a quarter mile.
What the f? Why are you waking up live? What's your trash talking about?
Sure, why not? Anyway, we're just gonna hang out until some of our other friends get here. Our friends like Ross. You want your sandwich? It's only like, you want breakfast? I don't know, it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime.
You're a jerk.
I'll allow it. I'll allow it. Cool. So we'll check back in a little bit. Look, the sun burned off all the. Would you rather fight 100 12th graders one at a time, or 1,000 third graders all at once?
Wait, can you say that again?
You know, just now, for no reason at all, totally random. I just want to set some rules for this tent, and one of them would be no farting. That'd be great. No, totally unrelated though. So let's just keep that in mind. All right, cool. All right. So everybody here knows. Everybody in here knows we're all on the same page. No farting in the tent. Sound good? Again, totally unprovoked. Just for future reference. Look who made it! Look who made it! Lance and Brianna.
Whoa.
Kelly's still here. I don't know when she's gonna take the hint.
She's not leaving.
Take the hint. I'm Sandy.
I do that at Subway, but not on my pizza.
If I was a hurricane, what would I be called?
Irma.
Oh my gosh. No, too soon.
I hate
I miss
that.
Hawaii.
Well, because I
Remember
was waiting
Hawaii?
for him to tell me, like,
It's a good time.
ready.
Ah! My family is here. And we lost the frisbee. He really lost the frisbee, he's not peeing.
Just let it go.
At least it wasn't me. Actually, I think it was me. Starting to look like a real bonfire. Who are you texting, Emma? I can't put you in the vlogs anymore. You're getting a little too racist with your comments.
What? I never said anything. What are you talking about? You're the judgmental one. Follow.
Stop swearing! So you have to blur all that out because she swears up a storm.
All lowercase, all one word.
I'm sorry to all the Jews that she just offended.
What's a good Pandora station? Okay, I don't have Pandora. It's not loading.
Kids Bop. All right, we're gonna have a field goal contest. Which one do you want, Lance? Doesn't matter. I'm the best. Oh, frick balls! I want another try.
So right here, I gotta
however you want.
hike up the shorts.
Yeah!
Son of a, that hurt!
Oh, it's all about the setup, baby! Hi, Alexis.
Happy birthday! Look,
Thank
it's the
you.
birthday boy.
They've seen me all day. They're tired of me.
Oh.
They want to see this guy.
Yeah, I'm trying
Hey, you! Hey, you, man! Hey, you, man! Hi, booger head. Oh, you Joe friggin' 80% cheeks. Jamesons are here. They're so great. Chelsea, you haven't been in the vlog a little bit. I just want everyone to know that she's still alive.
Happy birthday, Paul.
It's Dad's birthday.
And a happy birthday, Dad. But we're celebrating your birthday at this beautiful ball.
I really thought Mom and Dad were here.
I thought so too.
Cause, really?
Yeah. I thought so. Falling.
He wants to.
Happy birthday, Paul. We just wanted to wish you a long and healthy life. Dear Paul. Dear Paul. Dear Paul. Dear Paul. Stingrays. Dear Paul. Dear Paul. Dear Paul. On this, your 29th year of life, we wish you health, luck, love, many babies, maybe a new car, a couple gray hairs, a winning lotto ticket, new friends, no broken bones, no arrests, a trip to a foreign country, no food poisoning, a lucky break on your vlogs, that you might be successful and reach a capacity of 500 new followers, because I know how important that would mean to you, and I love you that much that I would wish that upon you. A new sweater, Broncos winning the Super Bowl, a successful DC movie that doesn't flop. What else do I wish for you, Paul? Maybe I'll ask everybody else. I love you, and I don't know how to turn this off.
I wish that his YouTube channel would do awesome, and hopefully he'll come up with some better ideas for his videos, so I'll watch them.
Happy birthday, Paul! I love you!
I wish him much happiness and lots of movie reviews. That's it.
I wish you a happy life with my sister.
How long is this vlog gonna be, Alexis?
As long as the day is...
Success, and all thanks to this little girl. Thanks. See you guys. Soon.
That's Brianna's tree.
I will move before Brianna sits down. Hey Brian, don't burn your marshmallow.
Did you just call me Brian? He was waiting for the opportunity.
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Work.
What the f